Hello, I'm Ryan Kirkland, Controls Engineer at Panther Industries. This video covers the features and benefits of the Panther Flex, our latest pre-printed label application solution. As the name implies, the Flex is an economical and flexible system built for ultimate affordability and versatility. The entire system of the Flex is engineered around a reconfigurable backbone that accommodates horizontal, vertical, and custom arrangements, perfect for your specific application or spatial requirements. And, with either arrangement, the Flex has been engineered to allow the backbone of the system to be extended so the applicator can apply labels from greater distances if needed. The Flex can reach speeds up to 18 inches per second and accommodates 1 to 8 inch wide labels. It also features a remote mounted control box with touchscreen display, a movable gap sensor for easy calibration. And without any extra components, the system can be moved from semi-automatic to fully automated as your operations grow. Built for speed, accuracy, and reliability, the Flex provides the ultimate flexibility so that you increase your throughput, reduce your expenses, and decrease waste or loss for your business.